Hi everyone, I'm Steve Mandy, owner of Attack of the Baseball Cards in Union, New Jersey, and it's Wednesday evening, July 11th. It's the Baseball All-Star Break, and in our 30th year in the hobby, today we're doing a special box break of 2012 Topps Allen & Ginter Baseball. Brand new product that just released today, always a popular product. 3 pulls per box plus a box topper, and remember, in order to be in our box breaks, which take place almost every week if there's a new product, all you have to do is give us a call at area code 908-687-8107 or stop into our store. We usually announce by Wednesday or Thursday of each week what our box break will be, and normally our box breaks are on Saturdays at 1 o'clock. We sell shares of our boxes for $30, $35, or $40 depending on the product, and you can pay for your share by phone using your credit card, or you can stop into the store and pay for it. If you'd like to be here for our box breaks, we'd love to have you. We do have some people here right now. And if you can't be here, you can still be in our box break, and we can ship your share to you. For your share, you get to reach into our special bucket and randomly pick teams. If you can't be here, we'll pick the teams randomly for you, and you get all the cards of all the players on your teams, including autographs and memorabilia cards, and the person with the least number of cards also wins a prize. All the teams have been selected already. They're spread out on our counter, so we're going to start breaking our box of 2012 Topps Allen & Ginter Baseball. Remember, we do have boxes and packs in stock. There's always a seal on here. It's a great looking box. It looks like one of the old tobacco boxes that the Allen & Ginter cards would have come in. And here is our box topper, and that will be one of the prizes tonight, part of the prize. Remember, these cards look like the cards from the 1880s, the Allen & Ginter baseball cards from back during that time period. There are tobacco-sized cards in the packs, plus normal-sized cards. We're going to try and show you as many cards as we can. Here's one of the heroes from the All-Star game last night, Pablo Sandoval. Had a big bases-clearing triple last evening. Historic turning points, the first flight at Kitty Hawk. It's the flight of the Wright brothers. And let's go to our next pack. Here's a What's in the Name insert card of Ty Cobb. The back of the card, it will talk about Ty Cobb's name or his nickname and how he got it. So that's one of the insert series. Harlem Globetrotter great Meadowlark Lemon, member of the Basketball Hall of Fame. Boston Red Sox pitcher John Lester. .3000 hit Hall of Famer Al Kaline from the Detroit Tigers. Last night's All-Star Game starting pitcher for the American League, Justin Verlander, last year's Cy Young Award winner and MVP in the American League. And what's in the name? Jose Bautista. He's hit a ton of home runs in the last few years from the Toronto Blue Jays. Here's Evan Longoria. And Hall of Famer Jim Palmer from the Baltimore Orioles. Here's Tallest Buildings. This is one from Malaysia. So a series on the tallest buildings this year. And a mini card of Derek Jeter. And that has the A and G, the Allen & Ginter back. So that's a parallel. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards is open every day. Weekdays we're open from 11:30 till 7:30. Saturdays 10:30 till 6, and Sundays 10 11:30 till 5. And rookie Bryce Harper, baseball all-star. And Andrew Bailey is an Oakland A jersey, but he's on the Red Sox now, and it's a piece of game used jersey encased. Encased game used jersey card of Andrew Bailey. New York Yankee first baseman Mark Teixeira. And they have clue cards also. This is a bowling trophy. And if you could figure out what the clue saying is, there's also a newspaper poster on the back that'll help you with your hints. The winner will get a complete set of autographs, and we'll have a card next year in this set. Josh Hamilton. Third base, great Brooks Robinson, a member of the All-Century team. And the great Roger Maris. And here's a Roy Halladay, what's in the name? I know the Philly fans are hoping for a better second half from their team and from Roy Halladay. And a Derek Jeter, what's in the name card. The Allied victory in World War II, historic turning points. And here's a card of Erin Andrews, sportscaster, used to be with ESPN, now she's with Fox Sports. And the fall of the Roman Empire. And greatest military leaders, Julius Caesar, on a tobacco-sized card. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards also has baseball fantasy in our store. If you stop in and buy $7 worth of baseball packs, you get to fill out a sheet for that week. And a great chance to win packs of cards. And also seasonal prizes at the end of the year. We do that all season long. We'll also be doing football fantasy again this year. Here's a John Smoltz baseball highlight sketches. Future Hall of Famer. Remember, if you're not in the area, you can keep in touch with us through our website at www.attackofthebbcards.com or on Facebook at Attack of the Baseball Cards or Twitter at Baseball Blog. And the great Curly Neal, another member of the Harlem Globetrotters, another basketball Hall of Famer. Another one of the world's tallest buildings, this one in the United Arab Emirates. And Prince Fielder, and that's a Tigers card of him. Just won the Home Run Derby 2 nights ago. Great Arab Parsegian, Notre Dame former coach. And sportscaster Greg Gumbel. Steven Strasburg, through last evening in the All-Star game. His first All-Star appearance. A lot of firsts last night. Speaking of firsts, here's Jose Reyes on Miami. And our last third of the box. Here's an Ozzie Smith sketch card, Hall of Famer. Jesus Montero, rookie card for Seattle. And basketball coach Bobby Knight. Giants of the Deep, Blue Whale. The MetLife Building in New York City, world's tallest buildings. And a tobacco-sized card of Babe Ruth. We have something in this pack. Here's a Ryan Dempster game-used jersey card, encased. And a Michael Phelps card. And we'll be looking for him again in the Olympics in a few weeks. Last two packs. Hall of Fame great Yogi Berra. And our final pack, here's a Willie Mays card. And we've got a Giovanni Soto game-used jersey encased in our final pack. And the winner of this week's box break, the person with the least number of cards. We've got a couple Allen and Ginter cards, actually I knocked over. We can get them. It's a couple of Allen and Ginter cards as from the previous years, a Vladimir Guerrero game-used back card, a Rafael Furcal game-used back card, a Todd Helton game-used jersey card, the box topper, and they'll also get a 3,000 count box filled with great stars and Hall of Famers. Attack of the Baseball Cards next box break will be in a couple weeks from now. It'll be Bowman Platinum Baseball, so keep in touch with us through Facebook and Twitter and our website at www.attackofthebbcards.com. Thanks for being with us. Stop by the store the whole nation is talking about, Attack of the Baseball Cards, located at 60 Milltown Road, Union, New Jersey. Open every day. Weekdays 11:30 to 7:30, Saturdays 10:30 to 6, and Sundays 11:30 until 5, 11 o'clock in the morning until 5. Attack of the Baseball Cards, celebrating our 30th year in the hobby.